Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA a little bit upside today, where you can see here on TradingView that many cryptos are still in the red. ADA does push up a little bit, basically 1.3% at 32.3 cents. That's nothing too exciting, as I said in the last video. In fact, we haven't really moved too much since the last video. We also here sitting between two key scenarios. For me, it's a bit like, we haven't really seen enough upside since the 21st of November low here at around, well, just below 30 cents to confirm that we have bottomed. It would be much easier if we had we really seen 5 proper waves up, a proper impulse to the upside here of the low, but it has to be a leading diagonal at best, and these are not very reliable patterns, but we can count it as a wave 1 up, we can count it as a wave 2 down, and we can say that we possibly are now in a third wave to the upside. And in the third wave, we have possibly seen a 1-2 setup, and we are now in the third wave. However, it hasn't done enough. It just simply hasn't done enough to convince me. We would need to see in a third wave now, in this small third wave, the 34 cent level. If we get there, yes, then we can say with greater likelihood that things are starting to move here finally, and we might be in this bullish, or even if it's just short-term bullish setup, and that, well, ADA might have actually bottomed, but at the moment we're just in a range after a low, and ADA hasn't really done enough to convince me that things are really getting on the move here. It would already be, ADA did break above this small resistance level here around 32 cents. That's okay. But we are still in a channel, as you can see here. Yeah. What ADA needs to do, it needs to break out of the channel. It needs to take out the wave E high here of that triangle at 33.2 cents. That's certainly the next target for the bulls. Then it needs to reach that 34 cent level, which is the target of the wave 3. And they are absolute, it's a must for ADA to get there, for the bulls. Yeah, it's not a must for ADA to get there, but it's a must for the bulls to get there if they want to follow this bullish wave count here. At the moment, it could of course be that ADA has bottomed, but there's no way of telling that because we haven't yet seen any substantial or convincing bullish price action since the low. And until I see that, for me the yellow count is primary, which is the count that suggests that we have come down impulsively after we broke out of the triangle, and all we're doing now is putting a wave 2 in place here, a 3-wave structure, A, B, C, or W, X, Y, and that we will see a strong sell-off afterwards in a wave 3, target around 26 cents, then a wave 4 and a wave 5 down to maybe 22, 23 cents. They are ideal targets, of course. They could extend further down. That is, however, what we can see at the moment. With all these cryptos, they have all done enough. They don't need to do more in the current correction. But yeah, ADA, we just need a signal, and a breakout of the channel would give us a clue in which direction we're heading. I think already to the upside, I gave you the key levels that we need to break, yeah, to get more confidence here in the yellow count, which at the moment though is the primary count. I would like to see one more low. Well, I don't necessarily need to see one more low for ADA, yeah. We reached the 88.7% fib level. We came down to that 29 cent level. So I don't really need to see another low. It has done what it needs to do in this current correction. But when you reach a new low, what you want to see buyers come in. You want to see, impulsive price action. You want to see the people who are grabbing all the discounted ADA, but there isn't much. So it's similar to, Solana, Polkadot. They are also not moving too much, and I think we will see, if this doesn't change soon and pushes to the upside, we are soon going to see here a new low for ADA, unfortunately. So yeah, just a quick update really here about ADA. Hopefully we'll see a bit of movement next week, because it is getting a little bit boring. I know a lot of people are bored. That is unfortunately what it is in the market. That is exactly when a lot of people are exiting the market, but that's actually when a lot of people should enter the market, when it's actually getting interesting, right? But yeah, that's currently my update about ADA. If you like the content, if you like to support MCO, More Crypto Online, as a channel, as a stake pool operator, then feel free to delegate your ADA here to our More Crypto Online stake pool. You can find it on Sea Explorer. The link is in the video description. You can also find 2 videos how to delegate your ADA to our stake pool. It's only really been running for a couple of weeks now, and we still wait for our first block to be found. I know a lot of other stake pool operators, it took them several weeks to do it, so let's please give us a bit of patience. You know, it's all new for us as well. But as you know, with the stake pool, we support the Cardano blockchain and the decentralization, and it will help the channel grow as well and more crypto online as a business. So anybody who likes to delegate and likes our updates, feel free to delegate. It would be highly appreciated, honestly. So yeah, thanks for that, and I hope you liked the update about ADA. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership as well. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.